So Jillian and I are going for a little walk this morning. We're gonna walk the park, or the bridge park, or whatever it's called. So we're just gonna see what that's like. Getting a little movement in after the Christmas holidays. Oh, that's cute. That cute?
It's like velvet.
Yeah, it is velvet. Now we're out here on this bridge. There's some cute lights on it.
It's really reminding me of Bukete, like where the river would be and stuff.
It does remind me of Rio Caldera,
Remember
huh?
when we walked? Like this was the bridge, and then under here, that's where.
Right in the lights, remember?
Yeah.
Oh my
So
God.
we walked under the. Remember when we went with Miss Myrna and
Right.
walked under the bridge and stuff?
This looks just like Rio Caldera. It's crazy. I wasn't even thinking about that, but you know, it's not rushing because that water was rushing, but
Oh yeah.
this
That
looks.
water would sweep you away in like 5 seconds, but
Yeah.
this one's more calm.
This water is very calm compared to that water.
It's like the water's just like, hey dude, what's up? Oh geez, okay, I'll leave you alone.
My bad.
My bad, bro.
You're right.
The mill. Huh.
Is that a business? I guess so. They say they have parking.
It looks like a hotel.
Yeah. Oh,
This is not like the itty bitty bridge from Miss Marcia's farm, huh?
oh! Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me about that bridge from Marcia's farm. Do not talk to me about that. This water seems calm, Jillian. These lights are really pretty.
What?
These lights look really pretty here.